What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, the home theater hobbyist, and today I have something super special to unbox. They're from SVS Sound. They're this pair of floor standing speakers known as the Prime Towers. Now, SVS has been on a tear recently with their Prime lineup. They have a pair of bookshelf speakers, a center channel, satellite speakers, elevation speakers to give you that Atmos effect, and they even have a bigger brother to these, the Prime Pinnacles. So they have quite a few things in their lineup, and I'm excited to hear them in my room. Now, I did get the piano gloss black surface finish, so I'm looking forward to seeing that because I haven't seen the piano black surface finish from SVS yet. So I'm excited. Let's go ahead and let's get into this unboxing. So here they are, the Prime Towers from SVS. And as you can see here, these are floor standing speakers and I have them standing upright, but I will need to lay them down to actually do the unboxing. And I'll unbox one of the speakers and put one of them off to the side. And then I'll unbox the other one. I probably won't show the other one just because it's probably gonna be exactly the same. But as you can see here, the boxes have the marketing material for SVS on them, including their name down there at the bottom. And it shows the speakers on the front and the speaker name Prime Tower up front. You also get a picture of the speakers along with an exploded view, which I think looks kind of cool. You've got the tweeter there, a mid-range woofer there, and the two bass woofers down there at the bottom. So I'm excited to hear how these sound. But if they are delivered, people will know you have speakers on your porch. So you want to make sure you're home if they are delivered to your house. These boxes themselves stand about 42 inches tall, about 15 inches deep, and about 18 inches wide, and they weigh around 47 pounds. So if you have issues carrying that kind of weight, make sure you have someone help you or do it for you and take them in the house. I was able to bring these up the steps by myself without any help, so it is possible to do. Just make sure you can actually do that. Now, that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and let's get into this unboxing. Something to register, the owner's manual for the Prime series, and also some material telling you about the different Prime speakers and other SVS products that they sell. Feet. Desiccant. The Prime Tower is a three-way floor standing speaker that comes in two surface finishes, black ash and piano gloss black. It has a frequency response from 30 Hz to 25,000 Hz, a nominal impedance of 8 ohms, and a sensitivity of 87 dB. It has a 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter, a 4.5-inch mid-range driver, and dual 6.5-inch woofers. Each speaker is 36.6 inches tall, 8 inches wide, and 11.6 inches deep, including the grill and feet, and each speaker weighs 40.1 pounds. Each speaker costs $499, comes with the 45-day in-home trial and 5-year unconditional warranty. So there you have it, the Prime Towers from SVS. Now, first impressions, these things look absolutely fantastic with this piano gloss black surface finish. Feels nice and smooth to the touch. I mean, you've got these nice rounded corners up top and this chamfer that runs along the front edge. I mean, they look fantastic. Now, obviously, you're gonna have to do a little bit more to keep these clean. I'm wearing these white gloves just to keep the fingerprints off of them, but they look fantastic. Up front is the cloth grill right here. It runs about 80% of the front length, and down there at the bottom is the SVS logo. To pull the cloth grill off, you just give it a little tug and it comes off. It's held in by these little prongs or standoffs that go into these little holes on the front of the speaker. And on the back, you can see that wood frame construction. It feels nice and sturdy. Up top, you've got the tweeter there, the mid-range woofer there, and the 2 bass woofers down here at the bottom. On the back, you have the same piano gloss black, along with ports for each one of the bass woofers here. And down there at the bottom is a single pair of binding posts. So you can't buy amp or buy wire these, but otherwise these things look fantastic, and I am really looking forward to plugging these in and hearing how they sound. Now, I will be doing a full review on this, but I'm going to take my time with it. It's going to take me a few days probably to break these in, because I'm going to take 30 hours or so to break them in, and then I'll start my serious listening, so stay tuned for that full review. If you want to purchase these or anything else from SVS Sound, use those links in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. We'll talk to you next time.